Today I want to talk about the settings that you need to do once you purchase your NX5, NX7, and NX9, or RS1000, RS2000, and RS3000. Before we start, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Put your comments down below and click the notification button. Once you turn on your projector, don't forget to set the content type to automatic, so the SDR and HDR will be switched on and off automatically. Choose natural for your picture mode because that is the closest to calibrated. Set the gamma to 2.4 because that's the way it's supposed to be. Not 2.2, that's in the past, but you have to choose 2.4. For the next setup, you have to turn on your Netflix or 4K Blu-ray player because you do need to have HDR playing back while you're doing this settings. Once you have something with HDR playing back, you will see the content type here change to Auto HDR10. Make sure your picture mode is under Frame Adapt HDR because from the box it came as HDR10. And then you scroll down to the HDR processing. Make sure it's under frame by frame. Not static, not scene by scene, but frame by frame. You exit from there and you go to Theater Optimizer. Switch it to on. The default is off. You need to switch it to on. Once you're there, there's an optimized level that you need to choose low, mid, or high. The higher the optimization, the brighter the screen will look like. You then go to screen setting, press enter, and put down the screen size and the screen gain that you use. And when you're done, enjoy your projector. If you find this video to be helpful, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put the comments down below and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much and goodbye.